Molly, the temperatures are dangerously cold today.
The good news is they're slowly starting to get a little less cold, not warm by any means, but we're going to exchange that extreme cold warning for a cold weather advisory this afternoon. That'll stick around until midnight. Take a look at this, though. These were the early morning temperatures, the overnight lows. In southeastern Wisconsin, most of us hit the double digits below zero for the air temperature, not the wind chill. -9 in Milwaukee, bitterly cold, dangerously cold, but nowhere close to a record low in Milwaukee. The record low for today, 23 degrees below zero for the air temperature, not the wind chill. We still have a few places with a wind chill of -30 and colder, but here in 14 minutes, the National Weather Service is dropping the warning. We'll see a cold weather advisory for the rest of the day today. This is set to expire at midnight tonight because temperatures actually warm up overnight tonight. Still, though, you want to limit your time outside as we head through the afternoon. It is bitterly cold under these conditions, and through the afternoon, frostbite becomes a concern in 15 to 35 or 40 minutes, depending on where you are. Still really cold in Rhinelander. That air, the wind chill, excuse me, at 37 degrees below zero, feeling like -20 in Milwaukee and -25 in Madison. Three below, yeah, for the air temperature in Milwaukee. This is our camera at Discovery World, a frozen Lake Michigan there from our camera at Discovery World. It looks beautiful. If you can see past the breakwater, the Arctic sea smoke on Lake Michigan is absolutely gorgeous right now. 6 below in Oconomowoc, so a little bit colder inland. Some places inland may see a high just of 0 or 1 degree this afternoon. A few places may stay below zero, but then temperatures will climb overnight tonight. Notice Waukesha, Fond du Lac maybe just topping it out in the negatives this afternoon. 2 in Sheboygan, 3 in Kenosha and Milwaukee with plenty of sunshine. But after today, it is going to be much warmer. An alert day today for the dangerous cold. An impact day tomorrow, not for cold, but a chance for light snow. Then we have a dry, sunny forecast with temperatures in the 20s Thursday and Friday. 32 degrees for high temperature on Saturday, which is going to feel pretty nice compared to where we are right now. Snow in our forecast tomorrow, but there is a major winter storm impacting areas to the south. The first ever blizzard warning in parts of Louisiana was issued this morning. We don't have anything like that in our forecast, but we do have a little bit of snow that could impact some of us heading into the day tomorrow. Clouds will increase overnight tonight, so mostly cloudy skies by 5 o'clock. I think most of the morning commute is dry, but a chance for a few isolated slick spots early. A better chance for light snow showers late morning through the afternoon into the evening before we finally dry out. It's all light snow in the forecast, but some places could see up to about an inch of snow. So definitely a chance for slick conditions with the temperatures we've had. The roads are cold enough for that snow to stick. 3 degrees for a high temperature today, 23 tomorrow, which is going to feel much better. But still, bundle up if you have to get outside, cover all the skin that you can, and limit your time outside if you can. A chance for light snow tomorrow, but it's going to be warmer. It will be windy. We could have some gusts as high as 40 miles per hour in the morning, so that's not ideal. Blowing snow could be an issue, but it's nice to have some 30s in the forecast.
Yeah, I agree. I will definitely say that. It's funny. I'm getting so many texts and messages from our friends in the South who are dealing with unprecedented snow. I know. It's like, what do you prefer? Do you prefer 3-degree temperatures, or do you prefer, like, 4 or 5 inches of snow?
I want the snow. No questions asked. I'll take the snow, but we can handle it.
I know we can handle it. You're right.
You're right.
They're freaking out. They're shaking in their boots, literally, down there. It's crazy. All right. Thank you.